The flashy self-media ads are getting smarter. They know exactly how to target your tired eyes after a long day of staring at a screen. You see these sleek, minimalist frames popping up in your feed. They promise to save your vision from the harsh glow of your laptop or phone. They look great in the professional photos. They seem lightweight and modern. They claim to solve that nagging headache you get by mid-afternoon. But beneath that polished marketing layer, things start to get murky very quickly. When you start digging into the company behind these frames, the red flags start flying. We are seeing a classic pattern here. It is one that happens way too often in the world of modern online shopping. A brand appears out of nowhere with a brand new website domain. The ownership details are completely hidden from the public record. The trust scores on independent review sites are bottoming out. These are the hallmarks of a fly-by-night operation. It is the type of store that exists just long enough to collect a wave of orders. Then it vanishes into the digital mist once the complaints get too loud. Many people who have taken the gamble report a very frustrating experience. Shipping takes weeks or even months. Sometimes the product never arrives at all. When it does show up, it often feels like cheap plastic. It belongs in a toy aisle rather than an optical shop. The truth about blue light technology is that it is often used as a simple buzzword. It is a way to justify a massive price markup. Real protective lenses require specific manufacturing standards and testing. Many of these low-cost options are just basic lenses with a faint yellow tint. They are simple fashion accessories being sold as high-tech health solutions. This is the heart of the dropshipping hustle. Someone finds a mass-produced product for pennies on a global wholesale site. They mark it up and give it a fancy name and a slick website. They do not hold any actual inventory. They do not control the quality of what is being sent to you. They just act as a middleman for a subpar product. Your money is worth more than a gamble on a site that might not even exist next month. If your eyes are truly hurting, the solution is not found in a suspicious social media link. Established eyewear brands and local optical retailers offer products that actually meet safety standards. They provide actual customer support and real warranties that you can actually use. Buying from a ghost of a company puts your personal financial information at risk as well. Think about who is getting your credit card details on a site with no real history. It is a massive gamble for a pair of glasses that might just be a piece of painted plastic. You deserve better than a marketing trick designed to exploit your digital fatigue. Stick to the names you can actually find a physical address for. Avoid the hype and keep your eyes and your wallet safe.